Alright guys, so we have our puck light installed right in our laundry room. So as you guys can see here, it gives off plenty of light. Hello! Welcome back guys to another unboxing video. And for today's video, we are looking into these puck lights. This is a 6-pack, so let's get unboxing. Now I'm trying, you know what guys, I think I might have to invest in another knife because I guess I lost mine. So guys, puck lights are nice, simple, and easy to use. And we're about to show you guys. You do get remote controls with this pack. And guys, this is a blessing. This is a big plus for this pack because they provide you with the batteries. That is huge. You get multiple controllers. It looks like there's probably 2 controllers. You have your double-sided tape pads for mounting each puck. So this is what the puck looks like, and you twist it and open it up and you put your AA batteries inside here. It takes 3 AA batteries per puck. Alright, so you can actually press it to turn it on. You have 3 different color modes. We'll show you all the colors. And again, you can use the remote to change the settings. You got timer, you got brightness, on, off, and some other settings on there. So let's go ahead and show you guys how this turns on. And how it looks. So take one of these round double-sided tapes and you're going to peel off the one side. Stick it on the bottom like this, and now you can mount it anywhere. Alright guys, so we have our puck light installed right in our laundry room. So as you guys can see here, it gives off plenty of light. So you have different color setups. This is the warm color. So we're going to put some more, line them up under our cupboard, but I think the first one, that's going to be the brightest. But yeah, it lights up the whole laundry room here. So yeah, they're very nice lights.